a lonely feeling when you're in over your head. Lying there in the emptiness, walls are closing in. Life on a need-ticket ride, a suffocating spin.